Hello friends, welcome to this video. I am Dr. N. Namashivayam. Today I am going to explain an interesting topic, namely credit rating agencies in India. First, what is credit rating? Credit rating is a quantitative assessment for determining the credit worthiness of the borrower. Credit worthiness refers to repaying capacity of the borrower. Credit rating applies to a government or a business, including companies. Credit rating is assigned by credit rating agencies in India. There are 6 credit rating agencies in India. These agencies are regulated by SEBI Regulation Act 1999, SEBI, SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India Act 1999. Let me explain one by one. The first credit rating agency, namely CRISIL, C-R-I-S-I-L, CRISIL, expansion. Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited, called CRISIL. It is the first credit rating agency in India. It is the biggest credit rating agency in India. It is a public limited company. It was founded in 1987. It was promoted by ICICI Limited along with Canara Bank and UTI. CRISIL is a subsidiary company of Standards and Poor. This organization or this credit rating agency is rendering so many services, namely ratings, research service, advisory services in respect of risk and policy. So these services are rendered by CRISIL. So it is the first credit rating agency in India and also the biggest credit rating agency. Second one, ICRA, expansion, Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency of India Limited. Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency of India Limited. It was set up in the year 1991. Its head office is in Mumbai. It was promoted by IFCI Limited, Industrial Finance Corporation of India Limited. It has a joint venture with Moody's. It is also rendering rating services for banks, insurance companies and mutual fund. Third credit rating agency, CARE, C-A-R-E, CARE, expansion. Credit Analysis and Research Limited. It was set up in the year 1993. Its head office is in Mumbai. It was promoted by IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. It is rendering so many services. Example, bank loans rating, recovery rating service, infrastructure rating, corporate governance rating. Next one. And CARE is a second largest or biggest credit rating agency in India. The fourth credit rating agency is SMERA, S-M-E-R-A, SMERA, Small and Medium Enterprises Rating Agency of India Limited. It was set up in the year 2005. It was promoted by SIDBI, SIDBI, SIDBI. This credit rating agency has a joint venture with IIT Madras. It entered into MOUs with more than 30 banks, financial institutions, and trade agencies. It also providing rating services to banks, insurance companies called SMIRA. Next one, BWR of India Private Limited. BWR, Brickworks Ratings of India Private Limited. It was set up in the year 2007. Its head office is in Bangalore. It was promoted by Canara Bank. It is rendering two types of services. One is called grading service and another one is called rating service. Grading service is offered to educational institutions, hospitals and tourism, whereas rating services are given to banks, insurance companies, mutual funds and urban local bodies. In addition to that, it also rendering credit services to projects. Finally, IRR Limited, India Rating and Research Private Limited. It is a subsidiary company of Fitch Groups. It is also rendering rating service to leasing companies, mutual funds, banks and insurance corporations and also urban local bodies. So these are the 6 credit rating agencies, and CRISIL is the first credit rating agency and it is the biggest credit rating agency, and its head office is in Gurgaon, officially called Gurugram in Haryana state. See you in the next video with other interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.